Caught in 4K with color night vision? CAMCAMP 2K wireless security system is wild. Let's be honest, most home security systems are either stuck in 2008 or require a PhD in tech just to set up. You plug it in, and bam! 5 hours of firmware updates, blurry footage, ghost alerts from a dancing tree, and somehow it still misses the actual intruder. Meanwhile, your motivation to protect your space is tanking. You're tired of junky cameras, complex UIs, false alarms, and footage that looks like it was shot on a microwave. It shouldn't be this hard to feel safe and stay in control. But it is. And you're not alone. Now stack that stress with crushing what-ifs. What if someone breaks in? What if your system misses it, again? What if that eerie motion detected at 2 a.m. is just another pixel glitch? Or worse, what if it isn't? You're losing sleep, second-guessing every notification, and praying your cameras are actually recording something useful. You need protection that works without babysitting it. This isn't just about security anymore, it's about peace of mind. Every missed moment could be a missed opportunity to act. And with outdated gear, you're just rolling the dice every night. Enter the CAMCAMP wireless security camera system, your new all-seeing eye that doesn't just watch, it thinks. With 2K resolution, dual-lens 10x zoom, and full-color night vision that actually works in pitch-black darkness, it's like putting a brain on your backyard. The AI doesn't just scream at shadows, it knows the difference between your dog, your delivery, and a real threat. Plus, you get motion tracking, real-time alerts, and a 500 GB hard drive that records 24/7 like a vault. Oh, and did we mention the 10-inch built-in touchscreen monitor? No extra screens, no fuss, just plug, play, and protect. It gets better. This powerhouse system is expandable to 10 cameras, offers two-way audio, blares sirens, lights up intruders with spotlights, and stands strong in any weather, IP65 certified baby. Whether it's -4 degrees Fahrenheit or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, this thing is built like a tank. The dual-mode storage ensures you never lose footage, online or offline. And with PR Smart Alerts, auto-pairing, and Cloud i365 remote app access, it's basically your private surveillance HQ, sleek. Smart. Brutally effective. It's everything you hoped your last camera system would be, and more. Here's the deal. Stock is flying fast. With rave reviews from security nerds and everyday users alike, the CAMCAMP wireless system is setting a new standard. No monthly fees. No headaches. Just real protection that works. So stop letting your safety ride on glitchy relics. Join the thousands who've already upgraded their homes, families, and peace of mind. Click that link, lock in your unit, and watch your world in full color, even when the lights go out. Don't wait. Don't second guess. Just CAMCAMP it.